Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can view the application data usage on the Samsung Galaxy 23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on apps. Then go down the list here, tap on an app, or you can tap on the search button. And from here, you can put in the name of the app. So here I'm going to put in Facebook. Tap on that and then go down. So scroll down to the usage section and then tap on mobile data. And here you'll be able to view the application data usage. And at the top here, there is a drop down, so you can select a different time period. Now, because I have just recently restored this device, so the timeline is very short. At the top here is a total usage. Then you got the foreground data usage as well as the background data usage. There are some other settings that you can manage down here as well, but for the information purposes, at the top here are the three important section. You got the total, the foreground, and the background usage information, and that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.